Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Have you ever wondered how an AI agent actually works under the hood? It is not just a chatbot answering questions. An AI agent can take a goal, think through a plan, use tools, and complete real tasks for you. Welcome to our beginner guide on basic agent architecture. Today, we will break down the step-by-step blueprint of how AI agents are built using four main parts: perception, the brain, memory, and actions. Let's get started. Step 1 is perception. This is how the AI agent perceives its digital world. Instead of eyes and ears like humans, digital AI agents receive text prompts, user files, environmental signals, or incoming API data. Perception is all about gathering the input so the agent knows what task needs to be solved. Step 2 is the brain, which handles reasoning and planning. The core of this brain is a large language model, or LLM. When the brain receives input, it breaks the big goal down into smaller, manageable steps. It thinks about what needs to happen first, what to do next, and which tools to pick to get the job done right. Step 3 is memory. An agent needs memory to stay smart. Short-term memory keeps track of the current chat conversation. Long-term memory helps the agent look up past information and external knowledge stored in vector databases using techniques like retrieval augmented generation, or RAG. This keeps the agent context-aware without needing to retrain the underlying model. Step 4 is actions and tools. Thinking is great, but an agent must interact with the world to be useful. Tools let the agent execute actions like searching the web, running computer code, or making API requests to external databases and software systems. Now, how do these four parts work together? Through a continuous process called the feedback loop, often using the react pattern: reason, act, observe, and adapt. The agent makes a decision, performs an action, looks at the result, and adjusts its next steps until the goal is finished. Let's see this in a real-world example. Imagine an e-commerce customer support agent handling a product return. First, perception reads the customer's email requesting a return. Next, the brain reasons through the task and checks memory for the company's return policy and order history. Then, the action component calls a payment API to issue a refund and uses an email tool to send a confirmation. Finally, the feedback loop confirms the email went through and marks the task as complete. To recap, basic AI agent architecture relies on four key parts: perception for gathering inputs, the brain for planning, memory for holding context, and actions for using tools. Combined with a continuous feedback loop, agents can solve complex tasks automatically. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more clear tech explanations. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.